There's an interesting case that's playing out in the appeals court right now regarding animal custody and whether or not a judge can order essentially joint custody of a pet. What happened is a couple purchased a dog together. It was a Pomeranian. They split the cost of the dog. They split the expenses, the vet expenses and the training expenses and so forth. The couple broke up and the ex-girlfriend took the dog. Now, initially, the couple shared custody of the dog. The ex-boyfriend would get the dog occasionally, and they had some sort of agreement worked out. This fell apart, and the girlfriend took basically sole ownership of the dog. So the ex-boyfriend filed a lawsuit in Superior Court. The Superior Court judge issued a preliminary order saying that the couple was to have joint custody of the dog. So the ex-girlfriend would have the dog for 2 weeks, and then the ex-boyfriend would have the dog for the next 2 weeks, and so on. Now, this was appealed, and a single justice at the appellate court, or the appeals court, overruled the order and said basically dogs, pets, animals are property, and courts cannot be issuing essentially joint custody orders for property. Now, this single justice's ruling has been appealed again, and it's likely to be heard by a full panel of the appeals court. And it's something to watch because you kind of get the sense that there might be a change in this area of law. So forever, animals, even pets, have been viewed as property, but it seems like there's an attitude shift heading towards viewing them as something more than property. So it will be interesting to see how the full panel of the appeals court rules. I've written a blog post on the current single justice's opinion. I'll put that in the description below. And when there's a new appeals court ruling on this, if there is one, I'll make a video on that as well.